So here's my El Cheapo voltmeter. Just an LED light. So I know I got voltage. Just a blinker. And the two wires that come under the starter, you got your main wire. Yep. Power. It's my ground, by the way. Second wire comes over here. Lots of wires. Over the main circuit. This is the main power. Even do a little bit of paint. We're still getting power. I have this secondary circuit here that's from the starter. So obviously no power. And good thing about little short boats and stuff not being installed yet. Power harness comes all the way back. I hear the fuel pump run. So maybe if there's no fuel pressure, the motor won't fire. But even if I stay connected to this little secondary one, this is the yellow wire with the red stripe starter solenoid. But even with that, turn the key on, no power to the starter solenoid. I've already checked all these fuses. They're all good. Not sure what else to check. It's a ground wire. Really no other fuses out here. There's this fuse. Already checked that one. It's good too. So I don't know. Why won't she fire? No fuel pressure? After messing with my, thought it might have been my kill switch here, because it gives me two options. One's the kill switch for lanyard for the Merc Cruiser, or the lanyard for outboard, it says here. Nope. Tried unplugging them, plugging them together, unplugging that one, nothing. Really didn't make any difference. So, way over here, the neutral safety switch was unplugged. Figured unplugged was neutral. Yellow wire, black stripe. Maybe thought it was related to back there. So, what do? Plug it together, because I don't have a shifter in here right now. No neutral. Turn it on. Contact. What the fuck? There's no gas in it. How the fuck did it run? Ah, maybe there's gas from the factory. Ah. Holy shit, about 2 seconds ago I clicked the starter and it turned over for half a second. There's no gas in the damn thing. Must be gas from the factory. Yep, not gonna try starting that again with no water. Oops! Contact. Shut her off. Get in there. Just in case you guys didn't believe me that there's no gas right now. It's bone dry. This is my fuel line. So far. Coming from the motor. Comes down. Just gotta hook it up to that. Empty. It's not the cap on the freaking filler. I don't even have the filler neck on. Thanks, Mercury. Put some gas in my motor for me. At least I know it runs. Woohoo! Time to put the covers back on.